In order for you to be as successful as you want to be, and for it to come as easy as it can possibly come, you have to create a mind shift, a mindset shift. You have to create a relationship with money. And that does, for some of us, mean tearing down our current relationship with money. And the very first thing that you need to know about money is that it is not at all. And I know that a lot of people are going to be like, ah, she's lost it. But the amount of money that you have has nothing to do with how hard you work. It has absolutely nothing to do. Look at you in my eyes. Your capacity to earn, your capacity to have has nothing to do with hard work. It has nothing to do with the number of hours you put in. There's a lot of people, and you're going to say, well, what the fuck? Wait a minute. No, because there's a lot of people right now working two jobs, right? Who work 18-hour days between two jobs or one job or whatever. There's people working 18-hour days for $100. That they barely sleeping. There's people doing that, and they're doing it 6 days a week. They're not rich, they're barely making it, but they're working hard. They're physically working hard, they're mentally working hard. They are working their fucking ass off, and they're not rich. As a matter of fact, most of them are not even comfortable. So, how hard you work has nothing to do, it is not a determining scale to how much money you can have, how much money you do have, all of that kind of shit.